Hi and welcome, and in this video today I'm doing something really special because I've arrived in London from Spain and I'm here at the Tate Gallery, and behind me is the first Picasso that we've seen, and next to it is two paintings of Braque, which I'll show you in a minute. But the video is going to be about this wonderful trip to London and looking at some fantastic paintings and enjoying the whole day. And what's so special, it's actually my birthday. So I'm here to celebrate, and it was on my bucket list to come to London, particularly to the Tate, to see some magnificent paintings. So this is the Georges Braque, and it's called Glass on a Table. And it's fantastic. It's obviously based on the cubism that he was developing with Picasso, and that's fantastic. And then this one here, this one is another one which is really lovely. I'll step back a little bit. So we're going to carry on and see what else we can find. Look at the size of these. They're just absolutely phenomenal. Wow. Well, they're certainly inspirational, aren't they? Oh my goodness, look at the size of this. This is by an artist called Joan Mitchell. I mean, it's enormous. And then let's walk around here. Look at this one. It's absolutely fantastic. The size of them, my goodness, just tremendous. I think it's so inspirational to come to an actual gallery and see paintings in the flesh. You know, we can see them on the internet or in books, but, you know, when you see them up front and in the flesh, it's a different sensation altogether. And I have to say, it's given me so much inspiration to do some different things when I get home. And I have had such a wonderful time. And it's a short video, but I just wanted to share some of the pieces that I thought really stood out for me going around the Tate today. And I've had the most wonderful time. So I hope you've enjoyed just seeing a few of the paintings that I've seen today too. So watch this space for some new work coming up from me. And I hope you've enjoyed. Take care and see you soon. Bye for now.